guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to attempt to solve this Rubik's Cube. It's a simple 3x3 and I have no clue how to solve it. I got it from Christmas and played with it, molded it up, and now I can't solve it. So in this video I'm going to attempt at least 2 minutes to solve it. Let's go. Let's see if we can get at least 3 likes on this video. I don't really want many on this video because I'm not really expecting any people to watch it because it's just playing around with a Rubik's Cube. The only thing that I know about a Rubik's Cube as the middle piece stays where it is. That doesn't move, it's only the corners that move. I've solved one of the colours once, and then my brother muddled it up. As you may see, I'm not very good with the Rubik's Cube. As you can see, I can't solve it really. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more. Bye, thanks for watching.